When it comes to roofing, performance starts at the peak. And that's where the all-new RidgeProwler 30 goes to work. A low-profile, easy-to-install rolled ridge vent built to perform in all seasons. Inside the attic, airflow isn't optional because a roof needs to breathe. It's a critical part of the total protection roofing system. Optimized intake and exhaust ventilation helps keep temperatures down, moisture under control, and energy efficiency up. Because when air can't move, that's when problems can start, like heat, humidity, leaks, high energy costs, even roof deterioration. RidgeProwler 30 is engineered to stay ahead of it all. Curved external baffles protect against the elements, while promoting consistent air movement out of the attic. And flat side vents are designed to reduce debris buildup, requiring up to 80% less cleaning than similar products. Underneath, the internal baffle system helps keep rain and snow out, while increased structural strength means less buckling, so the vent stays open and air keeps moving in all seasons. Installing RidgeProwler 30 is simple from beginning to end. You get an easy-to-handle 30-foot roll, nail gun-ready construction, and built-in end plugs with cut lines every 6 inches for precise installs and low waste. And the narrower product design creates a sleek, unobtrusive ridgeline for a clean finish. Low profile, high performance. This is the all-new RidgeProwler 30, part of the VentSure family of products from Owens Corning.